In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix D3d11.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and simply type system info. Click on it. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL file and simply put download. Hit enter. Click on it on the first match. Scroll down and you have to download the or click the download button corresponding to the architecture or your system type. Just simply choose the first version and wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon and then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder and then locate the System32 folder. So if you're a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. But if you're a 32-bit, go to SYSWOW64. So right-click and then select Paste and click on Replace the file in the destination. And after doing so, you have to restart your Windows. So right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. And again, open a browser. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable, hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.